ngayon, pagpapasok ka, most likely, will play two defensive mids, you and Nesta. Then Leon will be left.
Come on, set!
Alone on top.
Early lang, early pass.
You put in the work.
Rapa, inline. Carlos, not too much.
Ayaw mo silang paskurin, ayaw mo silang makashoot, ayaw mo silang makapasa. Naintindihan mo?
Good one, up.
Understand?
Go Leon!
Go!
Go Leon! Go sir!
Go, say!
Pwede.
Yes. Tara, Ryan. Kasama katawan, Ryan.
Go Isaac!
Up. Set. Hingi.
Nesta!
Second ball. Come on, set. Cover, pare. Cover.
Walang foul, Rian. Walang foul.
Okay na. Set, take time, set.
Set. If there are no passes,
Carlos, okay lang dyan. Okay ka na dyan. Huwag masyado.
as strong as you can. If wala na
Tingin tayo.
target Isaac.
Cover, Tyler.
Go Ram! Same play, Nesta! Good!
Wide, Ram. Shit, di agad binigay.
Leon, you had Ram there!
Check. Good cover, say. Continue lang. Up.
Up!
Good one, follow. Support.
Ram, akyat, Rian!
Malon. Hindi nagchichik. Wide, set.
Set wide!
Cover, set. Cover, set. Set, cover.
Manon set!
Coming.
Cover the man! No foul, ha? No foul!
Yes. Stronger.
No foul!
Good one. Go, set. Up.
No shots dyan! No
Up.
shots dyan.
Tyler. Your side, Tyler. Good one. Up. Continue. Good one. Yes, turn. Up. Set. Tyler, up. Set. Slide, set.
Check,
Set,
check.
slide.
Number 6! Nayan! Punch!
Kaya kunin, Niall.
Let's go, Pagkali! Rian, likod, check!
Ay. Marking.
Isaac, drop!
Tight marking.
Sino sa 0?
Tight marking.
43, libre. Yung 6, libre.
Up. Tropa, up.
Cover, Isaac. Up, Isaac, up.
Rapa.
Set!
Balik na agad.
Rafa, balik ka dun.
Give it to set. Inline.
Dito, target Isaac.
Tara.
Other side, Leon.
Good one, Isaac! Ay, minto. Hindi nagpadapa. Cover! Set! Ay!
Rafa! Safety!
Marking! 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 Get one! Up! Up! Kaya Nesta! Marking! Up! Bit ka on goal naman kasi. Turn, yes! Manon, cover lang, set! Tata! Set, tara set!
Tyler! Hold, Leon, hold! Jose, hold! Higher, Leon! There! Get Leon! Get Leon! Tyler, take it!
Tara Ryan! Second ball Ryan! Ram! Tara, tuloy mo! Ram! Tuloy Ram! Support! Good one! Set! Nabigay. Set! Rep! Sige. Wala man lang warning ha. Tara, Leon! We need back, Leon! Yeah. Cover, early cover. Lapit na konti. Eye on the ball. Yes! Good one. Good one, Isaac. Ram! Carlos, check behind! Hey! Up!
Go Isaac! Go Ryan!
Ryan! Bit mo binalik! Ang lakas! Good try, Ram! Good idea, Ram! Yun nga, sikuhan talaga no?
Yung mga papasok dyan ha,
Turn!
alam nyo na yung forward ninyo, mabilis, early ball.
Set! Tingin tayo dyan, set! Wide ball! Turn! Nesta, Nesta! Asking! Take time. Take time, set. Nesta! Nesta! Come on, Leon! Set. Go, Ram. Uy. Tyler! You have space pa, Tyler! Set, set. Early cover tayo, set!
Set, lower set.
Set!
Sa kay Rafa, konti.
Tara, set! Good one! Up! Up! Rafa! Up, Carlos! Carlos!
Up, set. Go, Isaac.
Isaac, press! Keeper, cover, Rafa! Wider, wider!
Rafa, Carlos.
Wider!
Now we go up. Step, Carlos.
Carlos, tara!
Nesta, support.
Rayan, kailangan natin dyan humingi, Rayan! Manon, Manon!
Okay, set, wide set.
Sabay, sabay! Rayan, sabay, Rayan! Press! Oh! Hindi nagko-cover.
Pag ganyan, loose ball, singit lang ng katawan. Singit. Rather than trying to take the ball. Foul. At the very least. Use your body. Use your body.
Rapa, Rapa, sige lang. Kaya ako, dikit yung ano eh. Sa gitna lang. Good try, Ryan.
Cover konti.
Nesta, ipasa mo yan sa defender, Nesta.
Arbol. Na Isaac!
Lapit, Jose.
Oh, unay.
Nesta, iwan mo sa defender yan, Nesta. Makukulangan kayo sa gitna.
Huwag ka masyado bumaba.
Sino yung kumukuha?
Leo, left shoulder. First bounce.
Press back.
Now.
Good.
Set, sa'yo na to, set. Tyler,
Isa
ready
doon.
ha?
May isa doon, Jose. Kanino yon? Nesta, sa'yo yan.
Up ka na konti, Nes. Up, press.
Press back.
Press! Palye, wider!
Sige lang, sige
Good
lang.
try, bawi! Good one, Jose.
Good. Stronger.
Up! Good one, Leon! Wider, Ram. It's okay! Isa pa. Tuloy!
Dapat papunta siya sa goal.
Ram! Pasok, Ram! Cover, Ram! Keeper! Rayan! Sabayan mo dito ng buka, Rayan! Set! Eyes on the ball, set!
Support Leon. Look, defense yung midfield natin, no?
Out pa rin!
Locate natin si Leon.
Cover, set!
Nesta, bigay mo yan sa defender.
Carlos, get one!
Okay naman yung ano niya, yung mentality
Oo nga,
niya.
kasi
as a
yung
key
tumulo.
player. Pero, taga-press back lang siya. Huwag siya yung kukuha. Kasi makukulangan kayo ng, yung number 2.
sa gitna ulit, butas.
Yan. Diba?
Keeper! Wide agad! Harap sa bola, Rayan. Bibigay na.
So, ang ano lang ni Nesta, screen.
Second ball! Isaac! Set.
Niall, isagad mo sa box.
Inline.
Kung nasan si Carlos.
Relax.
Relax. Relax ang press.
Second ball!
So, go! Other side.
Turn!
Nesta hindi.
Ram! Ready, Ram! Sigaw tayo, Ram!
Scanning, scanning.
Saan niya bibigay? Wala na.
Away.
Manon, Manon! Hingi, set! Cover set! Good one, Carlos!
Carlos! Down, Jose! Down, Jose!
Set! Sabay set!
Check behind you, set!
Ang mga key players nila. Itong
36.
Yun, yung nagdadala na yun. Number
Zero.
0. Yan. So yung mga key players na yan, kailangan yan.
Sige,
Pamakahan, makatanggap.
Sige, Isaac, sama! Get one! Ay!
Higher,
Up,
higher,
up,
higher!
up!
Higher!
Jose, up!
Higher!
Carlos! Up!
Higher!
Carlos, up!
Higher!
Carlos, up!
Salita!
Up!
Come on! Keep!
Check tao!
Second ball!
Go Isaac!
Wide Isaac! Kaya! Dali mo na!
Bigay!
Yes!
Support!
Follow, Jose!
Keep, binigay mo, nakadapa.
Kaya pa niya yan.
Yun, papasok. Nice!
Yan ang push. Yan ang push.
Ano lang, kaya pa. Go try, Isaac! Wala na yan, tara!
Check nyo lang, Isaac, ha?
Compact! Set!
Nesta, hindi sa'yo yan.
Carlos, get one!
Ka lang mag-press back, ha?
Leon! Come on, Leon! Cover set! Come on, Leon! Stronger! Hey, Rafa! Oh my God, Nael! Wala. Hey, Rap! Set, early yung cover natin. Usap lang kayo doon ni Nael kung kukunin niya. Anong kuman niya? Lip? Sayang eh. Kailangan mabilis yung cover natin. Katulad yung nakapag-long ball, ang tagal yung drop natin. Nagpitay na ng sumipa, ang tagal natin mag-drop, di ba?
Let's go for the ball. Okay? Boy, snap it! Ano yan? Kabado? Let's go, lapit. Asan si Ram? Where's Ram? Ram, dito sa loob.
Leon.
Okay.
Leon.
Si Ram. Okay. Boy, sa si Ram. Pag nagpo-possession tayo, when you get that ball, look for those two players. Early ball, give it to the space. Tatakboy ng wingers natin yan. Okay, wingers naman, if you get the ball, okay, eyes up. Okay, kayang-kaya niya sa speed. Diba? So, i-maximize natin yung strength na yun. But make sure when he gets the ball, nandun tayo to support him. That's here. Nesta, Jose, and Leon, man-to-man kayo sa midfield. Nesta, mag-press back ka lang dun sa red hill.
Go up, all the way, all the way.
Okay, Luka. Nayal, commands, Nayal.
Drop, yung daily drop natin.
Commands,
Yung long
keeper, away.
ball, na dapat yung
Okay, para they know that you will get the ball.
two-step,
Let's be
three-step
tougher
late
there.
Hey, support! Pero dahil wala kang scan, pressure ka pa. Okay? So, para makaplay ka ng mas mabilis, kailangan mo sila tingnan muna. Tapos, hey, trabaho naman tayo dyan. winner sila sa forward. So, ang labas mo talaga more on bibig ka.
Tyler!
Okay?
Look at.
A double.
Sometimes we find it, we play down the channel, okay?
Set, isa pa set!
Outside, inside.
Kailangan lang makuha nila yung
Set, one more set! Ikaw set, ikaw set!
Okay. Focus on the game.
isa pa.
Step up a little bit more. I'll tell you when
Leon,
to stop.
kabilang
Go.
side ka, Leon. Jose, right side. Leon, kabila.
Okay, that's it.
Asking Leon.
Yun!
There you go.
Isaac! Yan. Nice one! Nice! Nesta, good pass, Nesta! Tugali yun! Ayan!
Quality, Nesta, quality. Go on.
Ryan! Good one, ha? Rapa, yung drop ha, pretend to long ball. Yung drop lang natin, mabilis.
Go, go.
Hay! Don't stop, Ram! Cover set! Don't watch it! Sige lang.
Good, Nesta. Basta screen ka lang, ha? Screen ka lang. Huwag mo siya muna kukunin.
Okay na. Huwag na
kailangan
mag-move.
aware ka kung
Stay!
nasaan siya.
Stay! Dikit isa!
Leon,
Sa'yo na lang,
Leon.
Sa'yo na lang,
Step.
Up! Cover! Wider! Tyler! Uy, ako na naman kaya.
Tablock.
Luto, coach. Grabe naman dun.
On the ball, Nesta, on the ball.
Sabay! Tara Carlos! No foul! Set! Ready, set!
Jose.
Inge, Nesta! Rapa! Sige, Rapa!
Laban ni Nesta.
Huwag pilitin, Carlos!
Wala na namang command.
Carlos! Huwag pilitin yung long ball! Tara na yan! Cycle. Manan!
Go.
Tuloy! Cover!
Jose, more pressure, Jose. More pressure.
Up! Manan. Wider, set! Ryan!
Now, runs.
Wide Ryan!
Ryan, wider. Para mas may space
Hey,
ka.
set! Ready, set! Good one, set. Angat pa, set.
Para mas may
Yob
space
Ryan. Isaac! Inline.
Jose, higher, Jose.
Isaac!
Higher, Jose. Kailangan nandyan ka to support.
Go, Isaac! Other side, Isaac! Other side! Hey!
Handball!
Hey!
Come on!
Cover! Good one, set! Tara, set! Eyes on the ball, set! Good one, Nesta!
Set,
Now,
tara,
now,
set.
now.
Too soft, man.
Set!
Tara, huwag
Set.
magpalusot.
Set! Good body dapat, ha?
Leon. Miguel, Nesta, palit kayo. Doon ka, Nesta, Kima.
Kuha! Up!
Nesta, sa'yo yan, ha?
Now,
Nesta.
Ryan! Other side! Harap, set! Sabay ka, set!
Kenji.
Turn! Come on, Gigi. Good one, Gigi. Release.
Slide now.
Set, sabay, set!
Parimahin lang si Nesta sa kanyang zero.
Ryan, dyan lang, Ryan!
Pero pag napikon,
Ryan, wide Ryan! Good one, Leon. Tara, Miguel! Tara, Miguel! Tara, Miguel! Good one, Miguel! Wide, Ryan. Good pass. Ay, kala ko na. Good one, Miguel! Bakit lagi doon sa paa?
Wide, Rayan!
Turn! Gingy, wide, Gingy!
Alimang
Kita na ko, sino?
Ang midfield, madalas ang ganyan.
Harap, yes, coach.
Hop, para may space makaikot.
Makakuha agad yung turn, no? Set! Super set! Set your
Sige,
super!
Nesta.
Cover, Carlos!
Go set,
Set!
go down.
Good one! Tyler! Good one, Carlos! Harap sa bola, Carlos! Don't look back, Carlos! Up!
Sa'yo yung zero, Nesta.
Rapa!
Marking, set. Leon, yan ang tao mo ha. Tapos make sure, every time may pasa kay Isaac, nandyan ka kagad to support him.
Leon, sa left side ka. In between the ball and the man. Leon, sa gitna ng bola at ng tao mo.
Tao mo. Sa harap ng tao mo. Marking set, likod set. Set, check set.
Ulo kasi, Nesta, no foul. Tara, Genji!
Good ball.
Go ahead.
Uy, sayang.
Win it back! Leon! Tara, Leon! Cover! Tara, set!
Oh, you're set.
Up!
No foul, Miguel. Sa'yo set.
Good one, set. Continue. Okay lang. Good try.
Set, 36 set.
Nesta, watch out for him. Nesta.
Dapat
Ginji.
alam mo kung saan siya, ha?
Tyler!
Leon.
Carlos!
Towards the inside. There
Okay, Ginji.
you go.
Leon, stay, Leon.
Pero Nesta, trabaho mo yan ha.
Good one. Sa'yo, Ryan. Ryan, kaya Ryan!
Save it.
Dead.
Good, Nesta.
Tara, Leon.
Go, Isaac.
Good one. Go, Genji!
Checking, Sam.
Tara, Rapa!
Command. Dayan, command away.
Rap!
Set, save.
Sure clear tayo dyan, Rap!
Ayan. Check, ha?
Sa thrower ka. Ryan,
Nesta.
sa thrower. Yan, tapos press back.
Miguel, left shoulder!
Ulo.
Keeper! Genji, wide!
Asking.
Hingi. Carlos!
Up.
Set up! Second ball!
Para yung second post, mas makuha yun.
Wide, set! Set, wide!
Dayan, no pressure.
Ay!
No pressure, why are you kicking it?
Manon!
Nesta, Leon, stay, Leon.
Ayun no, Ryan. Turn! Leon!
Dalawa kayo, Miguel.
Okay lang.
Leon. Kabila ka.
Genji!
Saan ka naka-goal kanina? Doon, di ba? So yun yung space mo, Leon, ha?
Check Genji, Leon ha! Check Genji!
Pipe, doon ka lang, Leon.
Go Ryan! Tuloy Ryan! Cover up! Cover Tyler!
Open up.
Tyler! Wide!
Open up.
Wider set.
Midfield, Nesta, pwesto na.
Turn!
Miguel, hold. Leon.
Attack the space!
Leon.
Check! Manon! Press!
Press.
Ay, naglal. Cover!
tapos ito hindi nag-uusap yung dalawa.
Dalawang...
Kailangan mag-usap sila kahit nasa inyo ang bola, nag-uusap sila sino ang kukuha ng tao. Wala na namang command si...
Nay. Carlos, Rafa!
Yes, stop!
Usap kayo dyan!
Pwedeng humingi! Pwedeng humingi!
Saan ako sino?
Carlos,
Wala.
buka!
Release it. Turn! Good.
Ay!
Ay, sayang.
Let's go, Jose.
Wide set!
Right set.
Set wide!
Hingi agad, Rafa!
Carlos! Pagod na.
Sana, Rafa.
Support mix. Goal, Ryan, pasok, Ryan.
Good one. Continue! Ryan! Kaya,
Pasok,
ayaw
Ryan!
nito.
Ryan, pasok! Uy, sayang. Malabas
Shit,
na.
di pa dinala.
Sige lang.
Cover! Set! Set, cover!
Set, down set. Ref!
Cover!
Referee!
Cover lang, Rapa!
Ilan na yan?
Carlos! Stay wide, Carlos!
Bola namin!
Turn!
Hingi Rafa.
Tara, Carlos! Cover, set!
Side na set.
Scanning, Leon, scanning!
Rafa, option.
Tara, Carlos! Carlos, para hindi mapagod, i-release natin na maaga. Eh!
Jacob!
Nesta, avoid tayo, foul dyan, ha?
Yes.
Doon, easy
Jose,
yung foul
wall.
agad ka. Wall!
Higher!
Carlos, up!
Genji wall.
Come on!
Leon, Genji wall. Leon,
And
defend.
marking, Carlos! The top! Carlos!
Eh, Rapa!
Yung malaki! Carlos!
Carlos.
Yung malaki!
Up! Set!
Set. Go, follow!
Put
Job
it down,
space.
Put it down, relax.
Come on, set!
Sige lang.
Kaya! Recover na, Tyler!
Set. Rafa.
Tyler, here first!
Leon.
Inline.
Ikaw yung lumapit.
Sige, sabay, inline! Rapa, eyes on the ball!
Yung zero ha. Leon, yung number 2, check. Carlos, check. Carlos.
Okay.
Huwag masyadong lumapit.
Miguel! Sino yung midfield?
Rian, sa harap ka niya. Help, Rian, help.
Tara, press!
No
No foul, set.
No foul. Set. No foul.
Ala!
Wag sa gitna,
Huwag dyan, Ryan! Dito tayo, ha? Konti na lang. Set!
Leon, ball side.
Kuman tayo, Carlos!
Ayan, pasok konti.
Ryan, ready ha. Second half, start for set.
Go, Gigi! Ryan! Hey, kunin mo na.
Push na yun, no?
Oo nga, coach namin stop siya. Oo nga eh. Ryan. Come on, Miguel!
Sprint down mix! Sprint down mix!
Cover Rapa! Cover Rapa!
Earlier! Nesta!
Wide, wide, Ryan!
Carlos! Niall, command earlier!
Leon!
Show!
Good!
Release. Yan! Ryan! Ready! Release. Ah!
Leon Nesta, good!
Sayang, last shot sana.
Absolutely not! Absolutely